This video explains how to use software in a LED-3 split screen scenario. Next, using the annual meeting event as an example, we will step-by-step explain the operation process. First, we introduce the specific process of the annual meeting used as an example in this video. It mainly includes the following 7 segments: warm-up, host introduction, leader's speech, award presentation, performance, lottery, and closing. The annual meeting scenario introduced in this video uses 3 displays: a middle display of 1921-080 and 2 smaller displays on the left and right of 841,080. Next, we plan the display content according to the process. First, during the warm-up, the main display and the other 2 displays together display a video, looping a collection of warm-up videos. Clicking on the Act node, you can see in the properties that the afterplay action is set to loop. Next is the host's opening segment, where you can see the main display and the 2 small displays showing posters respectively. Following is the leader's speech, where the main display shows the PPT used for the leader's speech and the small displays show posters. The PPT can be flipped through using the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard. Next is the award ceremony segment, where the main display shows the list of award winners and the small displays show the corresponding background images. Next, the program displays together display the performance background video. Following is the raffle, where the main display shows the raffle webpage and the small displays show the background image. Finally, in the closing, the main display and the 2 small displays display posters respectively. Next, I will guide you through building the project from scratch. On the left side of the software interface, you can see the media window. Drag the folder into the media window. At this point, all the media files needed for the program have been added. Next, we add screens. Click Add Display and select the screen to use. If there are too many screens on site, click Identify Index so that each screen displays a number for easy identification. Click OK and you will see the added screens in the stage area. Since my screen resolution differs from the preset on-site resolution, modify the size of the newly added screen to 1921-080. Match the screens with the windows. You can multi-select with the mouse and then drag and arrange them on the stage. Next, add to small screens 841,080. Since I only have one external screen, I will repeat the addition for demonstration and modification. Arrange them on the stage according to the on-site situation. Next, add the small screen on the right and modify its size to 841,080. Arrange the displays according to the on-site situation. At this point, the displays are added and arranged on the stage according to the real scene. Next, add program window layers. We need to add 3 windows. One main screen window with a size of 1921-080. One total screen with a size of 3600-1080. And one audio window. Click the first icon at the bottom of the program management to add a window layer. The green one on the stage is the newly added layer. Click Add Layer. Add the window and drag the window to match the screen. In the properties, modify the window size to 3600-1080. Next, arrange the windows and screens. You can input coordinate values in the properties to precisely adjust the stage position. Click on the window layer. Modify the window layer name. Change the name to audio layer. Change the name to main screen. Change the name to total screen. Click the Fit in View icon to arrange the stage to the optimal position. Adjust the layer hierarchy to place the main screen on top. Next is the surface and mapping settings. Click Edit Display to enter the Display Management editing window. Click the rectangular surface in the top toolbar. Add a rectangular surface and adjust it according to the screen size. The sizes of the left and right surfaces are 840/108, and the middle surface is 1920/1080. You can use shortcuts to copy and paste surfaces and modify the size and position of the surface through the property bar. After adding the surfaces, close the Display Management window. Then, create a mapping layout. In the Properties of the Program window Mapping Layout, click Add to enter the Mapping Layout editing window. Create slices and adjust their positions. Next, arrange the program. Click the Add Tag Layer button. Set labels for different program contents. Double-click to input the program label name. Next, drag the files from the media to the Act node. For the warm-up, use a media collection to loop specific videos. Click Add, select Media Collection, and drag the relevant videos into the media collection. Click Confirm, and you will see that the media collection has been added to the media module. Drag the media collection to the program. When the node plays the program, you can see the video playing on all screens. You can see the 3 screens displaying the corresponding posters. Next, continue to add the media corresponding to the leader's speech and drag a solid color background to the total screen. Next, add the PDF file to be played on the main screen. Click the Add button to add the PDF. Select the file to add, and drag the PDF into the program node. When the program plays, you will see the PDF file on the main screen. Use the left and right arrow keys to flip pages. Next, continue to add the media for the awards ceremony to the program node. Typically, the awards ceremony is accompanied by music. Click the Add button, add the audio file. Select the file and drag the added audio. Add it to the Audio Layers program node. When the program plays, you will see the awards ceremony on the stage accompanied by music. Next, arrange the program performance. Drag the performance background video to the program node. You can see the background video playing in full screen on the stage. Add a solid color background for the lottery session. The main screen uses the Web Page Capture function to display the annual lottery web page app on the screen. Click Add, select Web Page, and a window to add a web page will pop up. The default web page is the official website of Enlight Technology. Input the address to be captured in the URL field. Then press Enter and click Confirm. You will see the captured web page in the media. Adjust the captured web page to the lottery folder. Drag it to the program node and play it. You will see the captured web page displayed on the main screen. Small screens display the background image. Finally, drag the ending background image to the program node. Click Play, and you will see the corresponding posters displayed on the 3 screens. At this point, we have completed the program arrangement. After arranging the screens, click Open Screen at the top of the stage, and then click Connect to start the output of the visuals.